research in the academic setting has to be linked and integrated in some ways with industry.
If you don't have the commercialization side, then the research that I've done will just sit in the library on the pages of journals.
Both research and entrepreneurship depend on three major factors. First is ideas. Second is a team. And last but not the least is, of course, the resources.
Hong Kong is very strong in research. We have been collaborating with scientists from top institutions around the world for years. Just on the other side of the border, in the GBA, the market is just so big, and also the platforms for commercialization are very diverse. Most of the local universities already set up or are planning to set up branch campuses in the GBA. And I think that creates a lot of opportunities.
For the first few years of my developmental test, we are thinking about licensing to companies. Then they can actually work to try to put that concept into a test of products that the patient can use and benefit. For the last 25 years, really, the government and even the whole culture is actually moving towards this translation, entrepreneurship. My first big grant was back in 1999. If I hadn't got that grant, my non-invasive prenatal testing project wouldn't have taken off. We have very good infrastructure for clinical trials. And also, I think that the cost structure for doing clinical trial here is also relatively cheaper.
We started in 2015. We expanded into other genomic analysis, and also from Hong Kong, we expanded to other Asian countries such as Thailand. The Hong Kong government had tried to provide support through a number of infrastructure, so that actually facilitated the whole ecosystem for the entrepreneurship and the development. In the early days, the access to China is not as easy. I would see myself as a bridge between the international community and the China research community.
For R&D, talent, infrastructure, and finance need to be in place. I've been back for almost 30 years, and at certain stages, one is ready, not the other, but I think now all three components are ready.